Renter's insurance. Everyone always says you need it, but what exactly does it cover and how much do you need? So let's jump right into it. If you own a home, you would purchase what's called homeowner's insurance. This protects your home from things like theft and damage like I talk about in this video here. If you don't own a home and you're renting a house or apartment, the property owner's insurance will likely cover damage to the building, but what happens to your personal items when they're stolen or damaged? The property owner's insurance, also known as a rental dwelling policy, isn't going to cover your personal belongings. And that is where renter's insurance comes in. So let's talk about the things that rental insurance actually covers. First of all, your personal belongings. These are items that belong to you, whether they're in your house or apartment, your car, or even in a storage unit. Things like clothing, furniture, electronics, appliances. It's important to remember that if you have items of substantial value, like artwork, expensive jewelry, a firearm collection, make sure you talk to your insurance agent about these things as they might require extra coverage. Another thing that rental insurance covers you for is liability. This is commonly seen if someone is cooking and they accidentally start a fire and maybe it damages the stove or the cabinets. Liability insurance will really come in handy here. But it doesn't just cover fire. Unintentional damage can happen in a lot of different ways. And in a lot of those situations, the liability coverage of your renter's insurance policy can help cover those things. Even if you're out walking your dog in your apartment complex and it gets away from you and bites somebody, this will help make sure you are covered for those costs. A renter's insurance policy will also help you cover what's called loss of use. So in this case, if your apartment or the house you're renting is damaged and uninhabitable, the loss of use coverage will help cover additional living expenses, like staying in a hotel, paying for food, things like that. Now, if you check the link below, I left a link to an infographic that I personally made to help make this a bit more clear. Now, something I want to mention is that renter's insurance is very affordable. On its own, you can get totally covered for $10 to $20 a month. And sometimes it even ends up being free if you bundle it with your auto insurance. For instance, if the renter's insurance is normally $10 a month, but because you bundle it with your auto insurance, it saves you $10 in your auto insurance, it balances out to basically be free. So keep this in mind when you contact your insurance agent. So not only is renter's insurance very affordable and easy to set up with a 10-minute phone conversation, the benefits of having renter's insurance far outweigh the risks of not having it. Spending $10 to $20 a month and sometimes less could ultimately save you tens of thousands of dollars if something happens to your personal belongings. So if you want to make sure that you are fully covered or have any questions, reach out to your local insurance agency and we'll make sure that we get you all taken care of. Thanks for watching.